What's up everybody, it's your boy Joshua and welcome back to Machine Media 7. Today in this video we are going to do a quick behind the shoot for that lady Amerfi. Actually, you are going to find the link of her Instagram in the description, and it is very important that you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. The setups that I use is the camera, the Canon T6 with the 18 to 55 millimeters, and also I use the 50 millimeter and the 75 to 300, like the Godox MS300 from Godox with 120 centimeters, and also I use a backlight with a magmod on it with little like gels, yellow and red, actually two colors. So those are things that I use for the setups. So feel free to watch with us, and like for 5 to 10 minutes, no BS, we are going to see that behind the shoot really quick. Important for you to subscribe to the channel. It is very, very important to do that. So if you're not ready guys, let's go straight to the video. also I encourage many of you to, you know, send me a message and tell me what you like in the video so we can, you know, get more features and so forth. Thank you again for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.